Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. So today's video is going to be a close-up application of the Moiety Cosmetic lashes. I do have a video about this brand on my channel. I'll put the link on the screen so you guys can check that out. Today I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm going to use during this application process and show you the do's and don'ts step by step on how to apply their gorgeous lashes. So I was sent also some other beautiful lashes, so I'm just going to show you guys everything that I have in the box. So these are the products that are in the packaging this time, besides the light glam that I had last time in the other video. This time I have three new different types of lashes. We have the Beverly Hills, the ones on top, the Beverly Hills, and then we have the Los Angeles lashes, and then we have the Paris lashes here. The packaging is so beautiful, so you even have a Q-tip inside the packaging, which is just so pretty and amazing. Besides that, I have this foaming lash wash. Also, I have the makeup remover, which I'm gonna use for removing the glue from the tweezer when I start doing the application process. Then I also have their eyelash remover gel, and then there I also have the nano mister. Also have the tweezer there and their hypoallergenic glue. So I'm just going to start the whole process now. The first thing I'm going to do is to clear the area that I am going to apply the lashes. So I just have to make sure my face is clear. So I'm going to use their foaming lash wash. This helps to make sure that when you start putting the lashes on, it will really stick and hold. So you just have to make sure that the surface area is really clean. So I'm just going to put that like this foaming here. I'm just going to clear up the area just to remove all the makeup that's there. This will make sure that my lashes hold when I start applying them. So I'm just going to remove, because I have some concealer there. So for the application process, I think I'm just going to use the light glam. So what I'm going to do first is to apply the glue on here, so to make it easier when I start like coating the lashes and stuff. So we're going to put the glue there, using their glue just to put some few drops there. I'm going to start with the one with my right eye. So starting from outside, going inside. So I'm gonna get this one first here. Just gonna pull it out, and then I'm just going to dip it into the glue. So, and then what I need to do is to like comb on my real hair, and then I place it not on my skin but on my real eyelashes. So I'm just gonna comb on my little eyelashes. Like so. And then I'm gonna place it there. So cleaning up, if there's any glue on the tweezer, you can just use their wipes and just clean up all the excess glue that's stuck to it. I'll go right ahead and get the second one and just repeat the same process. Make sure that they're lined up together very well. So you just coat on your real lashes. Dipping it into the glue. So I'm just gonna go right ahead now with tweezer and just clip them together, just to make sure that there's no any excess glue on it, I'm just going to use their wipes and just remove all the glue, clip them together. With my real hairs. So this is how it looks like. You can see. So without anything, and just look at this change. This is how it looks like. So I'm just going to repeat the same process on this other eye. I have finished putting both sides. This is how they look like. It gets easier as you keep doing it, and I feel I do it more nicer off camera, but what you guys think? So the next step I'm going to do is to use their mister, their nano mister. So it looks something like this. Just open it, it's already charged, and I'm just going to spray this on my lashes. It helps to cure the glue faster and helps it to last longer. Just spray it on it and top and bottom as well. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you found this process very easier, and yeah, you can check out their website. They have variety of lashes there, and this should last me 10 days, more than 10 days. Just how you take care of them, and they can last more than that. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up the video as well. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.